Good afternoon, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. If today is the first time you are seeing my video, I beg you to subscribe to the channel because here I have a lot to share with you. Today, this car I'm having here is VW Passat 2010 model, and the car when I brought the car to me, the car was having a hard start small. So after I did my diagnosis, I found out that the check engine light was on. The engine light is on. So I did my diagnosis, and this is the fault code the machine gave me. P2294, fuel pressure regulator 2 control circuit. So this is the code. So when I check the connector, which is the P00, the P2294 code it's related to a fuel control, a fuel pressure regulator, Yes, a fuel pressure regulator. So let me go forward and then show you what I'm talking about. This is fuel pressure regulator. And these two wires here, you have to get ignition current on this one. So go and open the ignition for me. So he's going to open the ignition for me. I'll use my tester to test it for you to see. We have to get ignition current on this red and blue color, this one. So you can see you have to get ignition current here. There's nothing coming. So that's why the machine was telling me that the fuel pressure regulator, I said there's no current coming. So come here. This is the fuse controlling this. So when I check, here's supposed to be 20 amps. It depends on the type of the car and the engine on the car, you understand. So I found out that there's no fuse here, and the fuse controlling this fuel pressure regulator, is not there. It has been removed. I don't know why, but it's not there. So now I have my 20 amps fuse here. I'm going to put it inside and then test it for you to see what I'm saying. Now you can see that the ignition, the 12 volts current is coming. You understand? So this is the reason why the machine was telling me that the fuel pressure regulator. So now let's go inside and check if the code will go. So I am going to erase the fault code. I'm going to erase the fault code and for you to see. Understand? So I'm going to erase the fault code. You see, it's a no fault code. So let's start the engine and see if the car will start quick. And then the check engine light is gone. The engine too started quick. You understand? Start. So you can see, the engine started quick. So first time you are seeing my video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share. Thank you.